BMW had Schnitzer, their long-time racing partners, run their out for a blast around the circuit. They're all allowed to really get a bit of speed up this year. You heard Lord Barnes. Delighted. Not just a racing car. We don't know if it's down as Nick Mason driving. It entered from his 1010. Truly mouth-watering equipment in its stable.
It does. Now, yesterday I think we're 200 miles an hour.
Came into the first service interval.
For me, Bruce, the Golf livery is the most.
It's rather made for what did race in Japan, but quite often the weather over there can be McLaren papaya orange, and that was the one I liked.
There's 1010's car.
Yeah, with the GT oiled down. Today the track. What a treat.
Passengers, and McLaren decided that when they produce their new road cars, not of a certain size, find it quite a and then behind the driver's door is a little hatch. I think I'm
with
right.
each year the blue became slightly lighter. The Rocco collection, raced by blue, but the one with the pale blue colours, the orange.
And I love the black one with the
F1 GTR, if you like those sort of vanity plates. But again, people who own McLarens tend to like that for the long tails yesterday. Again, you have to look through the side of the car. Now so I'm sure a lot of you will be looking at seeing how well these cars, particularly with the long tail onto the circuit, as well as all the mechanical grip. So really, you can just imagine.
let me confirm that we're having a great weekend. The sun is shining. Goodwood looks an absolute picture. Doesn't that V12 BMW Palmer? Am I right in saying Jonathan Palmer's in the F1? That's right.